Today's ever-changing draft beer industry requires new and continually improving draft beer systems. This has driven the need for pre-configured solutions that are economical, easy to install and maintain, and above all, ensure product integrity. For more than 50 years, Micro Matic has been the brewing industry's leading supplier of innovative stainless steel keg valve systems. We're proud of our ability to offer world-class innovation through our advanced design and engineering superiority in product development. We demonstrate our commitment to our customers' success through the personalized support and advanced training we offer to draft professionals. This presentation will give you an overview of the many ways in which Micro Matic is available to serve you, from offering complete draft beer systems or specific components to hands-on training programs and personalized attention to your needs. Our revolutionary pre-configured approach to buying and installing long-draw draft beer systems makes it easier and more cost-effective than ever to ensure your customer satisfaction. Our systems are always in stock and ready to ship on the same day in order to meet your most demanding customers' expectations. Let's take a look at the conditions and components of a typical draft beer system. We'll begin with temperature and pressure, which are two of the most critically important factors in maintaining quality. Proper keg storage temperature is key to serving a quality draft beer. We always recommend that the walk-in cooler be dedicated exclusively to kegs so the temperature of the beer is maintained at a constant 38 degrees. Now let's talk about pressure and gas sources. The basic purpose of a draft beer system, of course, is to get the beer from the keg to the glass while protecting its quality and carbonation levels. Most systems use carbon dioxide, commonly known as CO2, to provide the pressure to move the beer, because beer naturally has CO2 gas dissolved in it, just as the brewer intended with his recipe. Simple direct draw systems usually use only CO2, while remote or long draw systems use a combination of CO2 and nitrogen so as not to overcarbonate the beer. Long draw systems use Micro Matic gas blenders to assure that the CO2 and nitrogen gases are properly blended to the brewery recommended proportions in order to protect product integrity and prevent over or undercarbonation. And having just the right combination of gases keeps the beer tasting great, so your customers will keep coming back for more. Because using a blender is much more economical than buying pre-mixed gases in a cylinder, it reduces the pour cost, leading to greater profitability. Micro Matic gas blenders are an integral component in systems that dispense nitrogenous beers or have temperature fluctuations. Our CO2 purifier is another important component of the system because it removes contaminants commonly found in CO2 gas that can cause the beer to pick up odors and have an off taste. It takes just a few minutes to install, and it gives you confidence that your gas is always pure. Depending on the brand or type of beer, each individual keg requires its own specific pressure. Our secondary regulators reduce the pressure from the gas blender to fit the needs of each keg. The regulators are pre-mounted on panels with the beer and gas hoses already connected for easy, labor-free installation. The gas lines are connected to the keg coupler, which, when the keg valve is engaged, allows the gas to enter the keg and force the beer into the beer line and out to the faucet. Foam on beer detectors, commonly known as fobs, stop the flow of beer immediately when the keg empties, and that eliminates foam in the beer line. Installing a fob for each beer line will help reduce your pour cost and also minimize the downtime while you're changing kegs. In long draw systems, maintaining a constant product temperature from the cooler to the faucet is an essential key to dispensing quality beer. A Micro Matic power pack utilizing a glycol bath is the most effective solution to ensure that the optimal temperature is maintained from the keg to the glass. The power pack refrigerates food-grade antifreeze, commonly known as glycol, which is then circulated through coolant lines that are attached to the beer lines. The beer and coolant lines are encased in the insulated trunk housing, which maintains the appropriate temperature while the beer is being transferred from the walk-in cooler to the draft tower. This innovative barrier hose protects product quality from cross-line flavor contamination and CO2 leakage. Our patented Cool-Right technology-equipped draft towers are the most visible component of the draft system. The glycol-ready tower is the last step in maintaining the beer temperature from the keg to the beer glass. The Cool-Right technology tower is equipped with 100% stainless steel parts from the trunk housing to the faucet in order to ensure product quality. Now let's look at how to keep your draft system running at optimum performance. It's important to remember that draft beer is a food product, and the equipment the beer flows through needs to be carefully monitored. Even with the best systems, proper cleaning and maintenance of the beer lines are essential to ensuring the quality of the draft beer. Micro Matic offers two different kinds of cleaning systems. While our recirculation cleaning system is the more effective, we also offer both portable and in-place pressurized cleaning systems. Micro Matic is much more than simply a source for the highest quality draft beer systems. Our commitment is to help you provide the highest quality beer experience for your customers at an economical price. One of the ways we do that is by offering the only nationwide training program for draft professionals. The Micro Matic Dispense Institute, operating through 4 state-of-the-art regional training centers, is a fully equipped, hands-on learning environment where you can gain the essential skills and knowledge to install and maintain commercial draft beer systems. This 3-day program includes both classroom instruction from brewery-trained instructors and direct hands-on experience with the exact kinds of equipment you'll encounter in the field. You'll learn not only the fundamentals, but also the latest innovations in dispensing techniques and practices, as well as new product developments. At Micro Matic, we're dedicated to ensuring draft beer quality from keg to glass by helping develop knowledgeable, certified technicians who can make a difference. At Micro Matic, we're global to provide optimal product quality at the best price. We're national to supply the widest selection of innovative products and services in the industry. And we're local to know and serve you better through a network of installers and strategically placed distribution and sales centers. Our highly trained draft professionals provide value to your business by offering a one-stop shop approach to your dispensing needs. Let us know how we can help you today.